Surface areas and volumes of 10th class, state, CBSE, ICSE, Olympiad. What is the question here? The curved surface area of a cylinder is 264 meters square and its volume is 924 meter cube. The ratio of its diameter to height is. What is given here? The curved surface area of cylinder is given. The volume is given. So ratio we have to find out. We can consider here the cylinder. The cylinder has radius r and a height h. Okay. So what is the curved surface? This is the curved surface area. So curved surface area is 2 pi r into h. So 2 pi r h. If he will ask total surface area, then we have to add pi r square here, pi r square here. So 2 pi r square we have to add. We will need not to consider this one here. We will only consider curved surface area is here. So the curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h is equal to 264 meter cube. We have two unknowns here, radius r and h height, right? So height h is equal to 264 by 2 pi r meter square. Okay. So here the volume of the cylinder is given. Volume of the cylinder, what is the volume of the cylinder? Here this is the volume of the cylinder. So pi r square into h. So pi r square h is equal to 924 meter cube. So pi r square into, we don't this unknown, we will substitute this unknown here. So instead of h, we'll substitute here 264 by 2 pi r. Okay, we'll cancel pi, we'll cancel 1 r. So the remaining is r is equal to 924. If we will take 264 by 2 that side, 2 by 264. We'll cancel all these things. So r is equal to 7 meters. If radius is 7 meters, what is the diameter is 4 meters. Then he has asked, what is the question asked here? Diameter to height. So what is the height here? H is equal to 264 by 2 pi r. If you will substitute r here, so 264 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7. Right? If you will cancel, so height is equal to 6 meters. So he has asked a ratio of diameter to height. So what is the diameter? 4 by height 6. So 7:3. So the ratio of diameter to its height is 7:3. Here surface areas and volumes 10th class, state, CBSE, ICSE, Olympiad. What is the question here? A hollow sphere of internal and external diameters of 4 cm and 8 cm respectively is melted into a cone of respectively is melted into a cone of base diameter 8 cm. The height of the cone is. Here we have to understand the problem. Here hollow sphere, you can see this is the hollow sphere. This is the internal diameter. Internal diameter is 4 cm. This is the diameter. Then radius is 2 cm. External diameter is 8 cm. Means radius is 4 cm. This is the hollow sphere. Just like a ball. Okay. Is melted into a cone. It is same ball is melted into a cone. This is the cone. Cone has base radius and height h. So that means here the base diameter is given 8 cm, means radius is 4 cm. It is melted into a cone means volume of the hollow sphere is equivalent to volume of the cone. That is the thing. Because it is same is melted as a here. So both volumes are same. So volume of the hollow sphere is equal to volume of the cone. So what is the formula for volume of the hollow sphere? We know the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of the hollow sphere is, say, r2 cube minus r1 cube. External radius cube minus internal radius cube. So 4 by 3 pi r2 cube minus r1 cube. R2 is the external diameter, R1 is internal diameter. So what is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r 3 square h. Here the pi r3 is nothing but base radius of the cone. So pi r3 square h. 1/3 pi r3 square h. So both values we have to equal. So 4/3 pi r2 is 4 centimeter, r1 is 2 centimeter. So 1/3 pi r3 is base 4 centimeter. So 4 square h. We know the value. We don't know the value of h. So 4/3 is we have to cancel 4 4 pi 3 3. So 56 by 4. So height of the cone is h is equal to 56 by 4 is equal to 14 centimeter. That is the answer. So surface areas and volumes 10th class state CBSE ICSE Olympiad. What is the question here? The radii of two cylinders are in the ratio 3:5, right? So if their heights are in the ratio 2:3, then the ratio of their curved surface areas is dash. We can take two cylinders here. This is the R1, this is the H1. This is the R2, this is the H2, right? So what is given data here? R1 by R2 is equal to 3 by 5, 3:5. H1 by H2 is equal to 2 by 3. So what he has asked? Ratio of their curved surface area. What is the formula for curved surface area? This is the curved surface. That means this is the perimeter 2 pi r into h. So 2 pi r1 h1. The curved surface of second cylinder is 2 pi r2 into h2, right? So the ratio of the curved surface area size 2 pi r1 h1 by 2 pi r2 h2 is equal to 2 pi cancel. R1 by R2 is 3 by 5. H1 by H2 is 2 by 3. 3 cancel 2 by 5. So final answer is the ratio of their curved surface areas is 2:5. That is the answer. Surface areas and volumes 10th class state CBSE ICSE Olympiad. What is the question here? A rectangular sheet of paper 40 centimeter into 22 centimeter is rolled to form a hollow cylinder of height 40 centimeter. The radius of the cylinder is dash. Here what is given here? The rectangular sheet. This is rectangular sheet. Length is given as a 40 centimeter. Width is given as a 22 centimeter. Right? So here the area of the rectangular sheet is 22 into 40, 880 centimeters square. So this rectangular sheet is folded as a cylinder. Folded as a cylinder. That means this sheet is formed as a curved surface of the cylinder. Okay. This hollow cylinder is rolled as a cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder. So curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. This is the 2 pi r peri into h. So 2 pi RH is equal to 880 is equal to area of the rectangular sheet, because this curved surface area is equal to the area of the rectangular sheet, because this sheet is rolled as a curved, folded as a hollow cylinder. So 2 pi r h. H is given here 40 centimeter. So 2 pi r into 40 is 880 centimeter square. So radius r is equal to, radius of the cylinder r is equal to 880 by 40 into this pi is 22 by 7. You will go to that side, 7 by 22 is this 2 is here 1 by 2. So if you will cancel all, 7 by 2, 3.5 centimeter. So radii of the cylinder is r is equal to 3.5 centimeter.